Today is the 8th of June, I think. Here you can see an assortment of AT&T Wi-Fi devices, $135 a pop. That's Kitty the cat. You'll notice this piece of junk, the brand new one, is disconnected. And follow me in here. I'm located in northeast Texas. This is another Wi-Fi device. This system is Sparklight fiber, replacing that garbage I got from AT&T. In May, I had AT&T here a total of 8 times. 5 of those were on-site calls trying to get my internet to function. To do a 6-minute video upload would take me 6 to 8 hours. Just ridiculous. There's a backyard view, the wife's plants, they're all doing good. So, saw the Sparklight trucks running around town, made some phone calls. My internet, high speed, squirrel if you can see it, download was 2.3, upload was 0.3 to 0.5. To upload a 6-minute video would take me 6 to 8 hours if the internet stayed on. Problem was, been so bad the last 3 years, there was no assurances the internet would stay on long enough to do anything. Hindered my email. I do remote work from home in the mornings. A little YouTube channel, basically so I can document everything, remember what I did. And not having a reliable internet is ridiculous in the 21st century in town. So cost, install is free of course. I'm set up as a remote business account because of the work I do here, and I believe they told me it was $69 a month. We just did a speed test with the technician. Download was over 100. Upload was 103.67. Again, my wonderful AT&T, when it was functioning, download 2.8, 2.6, best I ever saw was in the 3s, and upload 0.3, 0.4, 0.6. At 0.7, one of the wingnuts at AT&T told me they were within their contractual speed for high-speed internet. So, going to stay on this Sparklight for a while. Once I'm satisfied with functionality, AT&T is going to lose another customer. And Sparklight just so happens to be running fiber optic on the street in front of my factory with my 5 incoming phone lines and internet. And Sparklight has voice over internet phone available. Go figure. So anyway, that's all for this one. This will be about 4-minute, 20-second video. Let's see how fast it loads. I'll put that in my comments.